cheap ass little white tape that he uses. So that's better than, I think that's better than doing the glue. Funny discussion for the damn drain pipe thing, I forgot. Yeah, it's mine, but it's probably no good anymore.
Let's see how she going.
I gotta turn this valve down. Isn't that what I do though?
I'm the plumber that they call when they want it done.